Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I wanted to do a tutorial or a how-to on how to defrizz your hair. I personally have extremely frizzy hair, and it is so frustrating, especially when I want to go somewhere and it comes down to me having to style my hair, straighten it, curl it, something with heat tools I have to do. Otherwise, it is humongous. So my hair is fine right now. I mean, it is a little bit fluffy on the edges because I haven't washed it a few days. So I am actually gonna go hop in the shower. I'm gonna scrub my hair nice and thoroughly, make sure I get the scalp really good, and then I will be right back with you. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. I am out of the shower. I have freshly washed my hair and we are looking good. Okay, I mean, I need some makeup. Seriously, my eyes are so bad looking. Sorry, but it's a hair tutorial anyways, right? So let's get started. So our key ingredient here is, ta-da! It is organic coconut oil. And yes, mine is watery, and no, it's not supposed to be watery, but my bathroom tends to hold more heat than the rest of the home, so you know what happens with oil, it melts. So it works out anyways because it's easier for me to measure how much I'm gonna use. So really, I haven't brushed my hair yet. Obviously it's hella messy, but I am gonna actually go in with just a teeny bit of the coconut oil right now. So let's see, and honestly, you don't want to put too much because you could never take it out. So it's better to build it than put too much up front, right? So I'm literally just gonna splash a teeny drip. Oh man, that even might be too much. That's just a slab, enough to kind of barely cover it. And I don't get the roots, I just get the ends. That's really where my concern is. Just kind of go over that. And make sure I've got that in. Good. It doesn't feel too oily, so that's a good start. And my hands, everything is gone, which means I didn't put too much, just the right amount. Close that back up before I knock it over. I am gonna go ahead and brush my hair now. Okay, so we are done. My hair is fully brushed, looking good. You would think my hair is gonna come out nice because it's got a little wave to it. Now, the reason why I think my hair is super frizzy is because when I was in high school, I did a lot of coloring, a lot of experimenting, and not doing it properly. So I'm almost positive that's why. But as far as I can also remember, I've always had frizzy and fluffy hair. So this isn't anything new, but I slowly am learning how to deal with it, right? The cool thing about using coconut oil is, one, it's like multi-purpose. It definitely helps with hair growth. It will definitely help with the frizziness a lot. And you can use it for cooking, you know, so it's kind of like a 3-in-1 kind of deal. This one I got from Safeway. I think it was about $10, maybe a little over 10 buckaroos. And again, this stuff is heaven sent, and it just is one of those hidden treasures, let me say. Now I'm gonna go back and I'm going to blow dry my hair, and then we're gonna see how frizzy it gets. Alright, so we're going to give it another brush here now that I'm officially dry and officially poofed. By the way, the blow dryer I used was a super cheap one. I got it from Kmart before they officially closed down, and it was like 20 bucks. It comes with different settings for hot, warm, and cool, also high, low, and off, and I always dry my hair on the cool setting. But it does also look like I have a completely cold one if I wanted to use. It's actually a really good one. Super cute, fancy, just a regular Conair. Not bad, right? So again, we're gonna go in and just brush the fluff down. It's not as bad because I did end up putting some oil before, but if you don't do it before, then you're gonna have more puffy hair. And of course, disclaimer, this isn't gonna work for all hair types, I'm sure. I only know my own, so do not hold me accountable if it doesn't work on yours. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add a teensy bit more of my handy dandy oil. I'm gonna give it a good shake because I want all those good ingredients that are at the bottom. We're gonna pop this open. And again, very, very little, especially for me. Like, I have very thin hair. If I put too much, I'm done. And now I look like a mop. So, all right, just a little bit. Literally, as you could probably see, it's literally just a smudge, not the roots, okay? All right. Get in there good. I might need a teeny bit more. I'm literally, just gonna add a little extra for the other side and the bottom. Very lightly tapping it on my roots. Kind of separate it, get some of the hair under there, hair there. Wow, already, see? It's already laid, legit. And then what I love to do is put in a little braid, and then tomorrow when I take it out, it's gonna have a perfect wave. But in the meantime, you can see the difference. Literally, let's just fix my part here, and we're gonna redo that. If you can tell, I definitely need a haircut. This is a quarantine style. I need my hair dyed and cut, but it'll do for now. All right, you can already tell it's just like luscious now. See? And there you have it. No frizz. And of course, if you want it, you know, a little more pushed down, you could put a little more oil. I probably could get back here a little bit. Actually, I think I am gonna get back there a little bit. Just a little bit right there to help out with that back end. Honestly, my hair is a little bit damp in the back still, but you get the gist of it, so. Little bit dry right here, so literally just a teeny bit. It's kind of like a spot treatment, like just putting it where you need it, you know. Got me some shine. Definitely straight, literally no hot tools, literally no hot tools. Y'all, no hot tools. Would you believe it? Just some good old coconut oil. Wow. So much better, right? Well, thank you all so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you would like for me to do next. I would love to put some more content out there.